My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 BMW iX3. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access media, communication, navigation, car, and apps, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below, we have our 3 different modes, starting with Sport mode, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.